Here I've got hammer blade, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Scroll down until you see the security and choose it. So here it is. And now go to the second tab, which is fingerprint. Click on continue to add the fingerprint. As you can see, at first you have to add some backup protection, so it can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me pick the pattern. And you can also require this pattern to start device, but I will skip this option. And now just draw the unlock pattern. Click on continue. Now confirm it one more time. And click on confirm. So we've just set up the backup to our lock screen fingerprint. Now it's time to select the option about the notification content. So if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive notification content, or maybe you want to see notifications at all once your device is locked, I will hide sensitive ones. So the second option, and click on done. And now it's time to add a fingerprint. Here is the sensor, so just turn your device around. Here it is, so just keep tapping on it. And as you can see here, your fingerprint is being added. So you just have to move your finger slightly to add the different parts of your fingerprint. Okay, so click on done. And from now on, as you can see, you will be able to unlock your device with your fingerprint only. So let me touch it. Okay, so here we've got the pattern, but let me do it one more time. And it has been unlocked just with the fingerprint. So that's it. This is how you can set up fingerprint to your hammer blade. Enjoy, protect your device, and watch our different videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.